That's it. A classic Commodore Amiga 2000. Is that beautiful or what?
Graduation is beautiful.
So all of our scores in here?
That's right.
Herbie, genuine genius.
Come on.
Shh.
You guys promise to cease fire? I'll promise not to tell your parents that you missed your target at 5 yards.
Norman, how did you get in here?
Through the front door, Mike. It was wide open.
Brilliant.
Come on, guys, we gotta hurry. Gotta get past these security codes. Come on. Okay. Log on, East Point, password, honor. What the hell?
What's going on, Herbie? Herbie, do something.
I don't know. What the hell?
Herbie, do something.
I don't know what's
Push a button.
Come on.
At ease, boys. Mine. Look. Nervous. We don't feel guilty about anything you do, we? Perhaps you're gonna confess. So be in my office tomorrow morning at 900 hours.